Hey everyone, welcome back to Real Easy Talks, your daily English practice. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're so happy you're here with us today. If you're new, please subscribe so you don't miss our daily episodes.
So Tom, today we're going to do something a little different.
Different how?
Today, we're talking about something very simple, something we all know about, daily life.
Oh, I love this topic. Daily life, the little things we do every day.
Yes, and today we're going to use easy English, simple words, short sentences, because everyone, beginners, students, anyone learning English can talk about their daily life.
That's a great idea. So let's start. Anna, tell me about your daily life. Just the basics.
Okay, I live in Portland, Oregon. I live in a small apartment. I have a dog. Her name is Biscuit. I'm an English teacher. I teach at a language school in the city.
Nice and clear.
What about you?
I live in Portland, too. I live in a small studio apartment. I work from home. I'm a designer. I have a girlfriend. Her name is Lily.
See, in a few sentences, we can describe our daily life. And these are useful sentences for everyone listening today.
They really are. If someone asks you, tell me about yourself, you can use these sentences.
Exactly. So today, we're going to talk about 6 parts of daily life. My home, my morning, the people in my life, my work and my day, the food I eat, and my free time.
6 topics, all easy, all useful.
Let's start with home. So, Tom, where do you live?
I live in Portland, Oregon. It's a city in the United States. I live in a studio apartment. A studio is a small apartment with one room. The kitchen, the bed, and the living room are all in one space.
That sounds cozy.
It is. I like it. It's small, but it's enough for me. The window is big. I have a lot of light.
What's in your apartment?
I have a bed. I have a desk for my work. I have a sofa. I have a TV. I have a small kitchen. And I have many art supplies. I'm a designer, so I have pencils, paper, and a tablet for drawing.
And no plants?
I have one plant. It's a small cactus. I forget to water it sometimes, but it's still alive.
That's good. What about your neighborhood?
My neighborhood is nice. There are coffee shops, there are restaurants, there is a small park. I walk around a lot.
That sounds wonderful. My home is also small. I live in a 1-bedroom apartment. I live with Biscuit.
How big is your apartment?
It's small, but very comfortable. I have a big window in the living room. I can see trees from my window. In the morning, the light is very soft.
I love that. What do you have in your apartment?
I have a bed. I have a sofa, I have a small kitchen, I have many books, I love to read, and I have a special chair by the window. I sit there every morning with my tea.
That sounds perfect. And Biscuit?
Biscuit has a bed in the living room, but she sleeps on my bed at night.
Of course she does.
She's a little corgi. She's not big, but she takes a lot of space on the bed.
Dogs always do.
Tell me more about your neighborhood. What can you see from your window?
From my window, I can see other apartments. I can see the street. I can see a few trees. Sometimes I see people walking their dogs.
That sounds nice.
It is. I like to look outside when I'm tired. What about your window?
From my window, I can see a small park. There are big trees. In the spring, the trees have flowers. In the fall, the leaves are orange and red.
That's beautiful.
I'm lucky. The view changes with the seasons. Now let's talk about the morning. Tom, what do you usually do in the morning?
Honestly, I wake up late. I'm a night person. I go to sleep at 1 a.m. or 2 a.m., so I wake up at 9 or 10.
That's late.
I know, but I work from home, so it's okay. When I wake up, the first thing I do is make coffee. I have a coffee machine. I love coffee.
How many cups?
Usually 2 cups, sometimes 3. After coffee, I check my phone, I read my messages, I check my email, then I eat something. Maybe toast, maybe a banana.
And then?
Then I sit at my desk, I start my work. My morning is short. My day starts at 11 a.m.
That's so different from me.
How is your morning?
My morning is very calm. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I don't use an alarm. I just wake up.
Naturally.
Yes. After I wake up, I drink water. Then I take Biscuit for a walk. We walk for 20 minutes. We see the same neighbors every day. We say good morning.
That's so peaceful.
After the walk, I come home. I make tea. I love Earl Grey tea. I sit in my chair by the window. I drink my tea slowly. Sometimes I read. Sometimes I just look outside.
How long is your morning?
About 1.5 hours. Then I make breakfast. I usually have toast or oatmeal. I eat a banana too.
And then you go to work?
Yes, I leave my apartment about 8:30. I walk to the language school. It's not far, about 15 minutes.
That's a beautiful morning. My morning sounds chaotic compared to yours.
Different people have different mornings. There's no right way.
That's a nice thing to remember.
What about weekend mornings? Are they different?
Yes. On Saturday, I sleep more. I wake up at 10 or 11. I make coffee. I sit on the sofa. I watch a show. It's slow and nice.
That sounds restful.
It is. What about your weekend mornings?
They are similar to my weekdays. I still wake up early, but I take a longer walk with Biscuit. We walk to the park. We sit on a bench. I drink my tea outside.
That sounds peaceful too.
Yes, weekend mornings are my favorite. Now, let's talk about people. Tom, who is in your daily life?
Well, the most important person is Lily. Lily is my girlfriend. We've been together for 1.5 years.
Tell me about her.
She's from a Vietnamese family. She's kind, she's funny, she's a great cook. I'm a bad cook, but she teaches me.
That's sweet. Do you live together?
Not yet. She has her own apartment, but we see each other almost every day.
And who else?
My friend Jake. He's my best friend. We play basketball on Saturdays. We met in college.
And your family?
My parents live in Boulder, Colorado. That's my hometown. I call my mom every week. I see my parents 2 or 3 times a year.
Nice. Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. She's older than me. She lives in Denver. And what about you, Anna? Who is in your daily life?
Well, Biscuit, of course. She is my number one.
Of course.
I have a sister. Her name is Maya. She is younger than me. She lives in Eugene, Oregon. We talk on the phone every weekend.
That's nice.
My parents live in Eugene, too. I see them about once a month.
And your friends?
I have a few good friends. We meet for brunch on Sundays. We sit and talk for hours. We drink coffee. We eat eggs. It's my favorite part of the week.
Brunch is the best.
At work, I see my students every day. I love my students. They come from many countries. They teach me about their cultures.
That sounds like a nice work life.
It is. People are an important part of daily life. We need our people.
We really do. Even night people like me need their friends.
Do you see Lily's family often?
Yes, they live in Portland too. We have dinner with them once a month. Lily's mom is a great cook. I always eat too much.
That's a good problem.
It really is. They're kind people. They always make me feel welcome.
That's important.
It is. What about Maya? Do you see her often?
She comes to Portland once a month. We have lunch, we walk in the park, we talk for hours. It's my favorite weekend.
That's sweet.
It really is. Okay, let's talk about work. Tom, what do you do?
I'm a designer. I make logos, I make posters, I make pictures for websites. I work with companies and small businesses.
How do you work? Where?
I work from home. My office is my desk. I have 2 computers. I have a tablet for drawing.
What's a typical day for you?
A typical day? Okay, I wake up, I drink coffee, I check my email, then I open my project. I draw, I send my work to my clients. Sometimes they ask for changes. I make changes. I send it again.
How many hours do you work?
It's different every day. Sometimes 4 hours, sometimes 10 hours. When I have a deadline, I work very late.
That sounds hard.
It is, but I love my job. I love being creative. I love making things.
That's important.
What about you, Anna? What's your typical day?
I'm an English teacher. I teach at a language school. My students are adults. They come from many countries.
What do you teach?
I teach grammar, I teach vocabulary, I teach speaking and listening. We talk about many things: work, family, hobbies, daily life.
How many classes do you teach?
I teach 4 classes a day. Each class is 1 hour and a half. Between classes, I have small breaks. I drink tea, I prepare for the next class.
That's a lot of teaching.
It is, but I love it. Every class is different. Every student is different. I learn something new every day.
When does your workday end?
I finish at 5 p.m. I walk home. Sometimes I stop at a cafe. Then I make dinner. I take Biscuit for an evening walk. After that, my day is mine.
Your day is yours. I love that.
Yes, we work, but we also need time for ourselves.
True.
Tell me about your clients. What kind of people do you work with?
Many kinds. Small businesses, coffee shops, restaurants, sometimes big companies. Most of my clients are nice, some are difficult. Most are happy with my work.
That's good. And what kind of work is the most fun?
Logos. I love making logos. A small logo can tell a big story. That's the magic.
That's a beautiful way to say it.
What about your students? Tell me about them.
My students are wonderful. They come from Japan, Brazil, Korea, Mexico, Spain, many countries. Some are young, some are older. They all want to learn English. I love that.
That sounds rewarding.
It really is. Now, let's talk about food. Tom, what do you usually eat?
Honestly, easy food. I don't cook much.
What's easy food?
Sandwiches, cereal, frozen pizza. I order food too. There are many restaurants near me.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza, pasta, and Lily's Vietnamese cooking. She makes pho, she makes spring rolls. They are amazing.
That sounds delicious. Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes, usually just toast or a banana with coffee.
And lunch?
Lunch is small, a sandwich, or leftovers from dinner.
Dinner is the big meal?
Yes, dinner is bigger. I cook a little, pasta, rice, eggs, or I order food, or Lily makes dinner.
My food life is different.
Tell me.
I love simple food. For breakfast, I have toast and eggs, or oatmeal with fruit. With Earl Grey tea, of course.
Of course.
For lunch, I usually have a salad or soup, something light. Sometimes I eat at a small cafe near my school.
And dinner?
Dinner is small, too. I like soup, I like rice with vegetables, I like fish.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook every day. I like cooking. It's my calm time. I listen to music, I cook slowly.
I admire that. I'm not patient enough to cook.
It's okay, we're all different.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, there's a small Thai restaurant in my neighborhood. I go there sometimes with Maya when she visits. The pad Thai is amazing.
Now I'm hungry.
Talking about food does that.
It really does. What do you eat on the weekend?
On Sundays, brunch with my friends. I usually have eggs, toast, and a small salad. And coffee. Always coffee on the weekend.
Brunch coffee is special.
It really is.
Do you cook special food on the weekend?
Yes, on Saturday I cook something bigger. Maybe a big soup or a fish with rice. I have more time on the weekend.
That sounds nice.
It is. What about you? Any special weekend food?
Sometimes Lily and I cook together. We try new recipes. Last weekend we made dumplings. They were not pretty, but they tasted good.
That's the most important part.
Yes, beauty is not important. Taste is everything.
Last topic, free time. Tom, what do you do for fun?
A lot of things. I play video games. I love video games. I have a PlayStation.
What kind of games?
Action games, adventure games, sometimes story games.
Cool. What else?
I draw. Drawing is my work, but I also draw for fun. I make small paintings. I try new styles.
That's beautiful.
I watch movies too. Lily and I watch a movie almost every Friday. We make popcorn, we sit on the sofa.
A perfect Friday night.
It really is.
And weekends?
On Saturday morning, I play basketball with Jake. We play for 2 hours. After basketball, I'm tired. I eat lunch. I take a nap.
A nap is wonderful.
Yes. And on Saturday night, Lily and I do something. Maybe dinner, maybe a movie, maybe just a walk in the park.
Nice.
Sunday is my lazy day. I sleep in, I read, I play games. Sometimes I do nothing, and that's okay.
Doing nothing is also a good thing.
It really is. What about you, Anna?
I have a quiet life. For fun, I read. I read a lot. I always have a book in my bag.
What do you read?
All kinds of books. Novels, books about history, books about other countries.
Nice.
I also do yoga 3 times a week. It helps my body and my mind.
Where do you do yoga?
I have a small yoga mat in my living room. I follow videos online. It's easy. It's free.
I should try yoga.
You should. Just 10 minutes a day. It really helps.
10 minutes I can do.
Anyone can. That's the nice thing about it. And on weekends, I have brunch on Sundays. Saturday is my home day. I clean my apartment, I cook a big lunch, I read, I take Biscuit on a long walk.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. Sometimes I see Maya. She drives up from Eugene. We have lunch together.
Family time.
Yes, family is important.
Is there anything you want to try? A new hobby?
Yes, I want to learn to paint. I want to take a small painting class. I think it would be fun and relaxing.
That's a great idea.
What about you? Any new hobby?
I want to learn guitar. I have an old guitar at home. I never play it. But maybe this year I will start.
You should.
We have many things we want to try. That's part of life.
Yes, daily life is not just what we do now, it's also what we want to do next. So that's our daily life. Home, morning, people, work, food, free time.
6 simple parts. 6 topics anyone can talk about.
And remember, your daily life is interesting. You don't need a fancy life to talk about it. Your simple, normal day is something other people want to know about.
That's a nice thing to hear.
Try this. After this episode, write 5 sentences about your daily life. Just 5. About your home, your morning, your work, your food, your free time. Read them out loud.
That's a great practice.
It is. And keep these sentences in your phone. The next time someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," you'll have an answer ready.
Confidence in your pocket.
Exactly. Confidence in your pocket. Now, a question for you, our listeners. Tell us in the comments what's your favorite part of your daily life. Just write 1 or 2 sentences. We read every comment.
We love hearing from you.
If this lesson helped you, please like and subscribe. Share it with a friend who is learning English.
We have new episodes every day. Easy English, real conversations.
Take care of your daily life. The small things really matter.
Beautifully said.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.